Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our bonus video for our stuffing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. But mainly we're just going to be doing our sinking funds because we got our federal refund taxes back and I am super excited. I get to stuff extra money into my sinking funds and I wanted to show you guys. So we got... For for taxes, we got $839. So that's how much I got for my federal. My state has not come in yet, which that takes a little bit longer. So I'm just going to run down like how much the breakdown really. So I got $839 in taxes. I withdrew $400 to stuff into my sinking funds. So I also took out money, which I'm not going to tell you the amount, for Transfer Tuesday. And then I put back $227 for cushion, which is my debit card, just for, in case I need something. And then insurance, I went ahead and I paid my mom $120. And then I gave her an extra $40 to like do whatever she wants. And of course she wanted to go to the casino because Asian people love going to casino. And then I was left with pretty much $212. So that is pretty much the breakdown of where my taxes went for right now. But I'm super excited to share with y'all. And before we get to stuffing, let me know down below if y'all got y'all's refund and what y'all are going to be doing. Paying a debt, doing your emergency funds, stuffing some cash envelope funds, anything. And just let me know. And make sure you go and subscribe because I would love to go and check y'all's channel out if y'all have a channel. And I just love getting to know people and just talk to y'all through comments, or you can follow me on Instagram and talk to me through there. But we are going to get to stuffing after we write down what we have. So for college, so we have $400 to work with. College, we're going to put $55. Vacation, $55. Medical, $55. Car maintenance, $50. Christmas, $30. Black Friday, we're actually putting $35, and I'll let you know where the $5 is coming from. Wedding is going to be $50. Special occasion, which is the other weddings I'm going to be in, $55. Beauty, we're not putting anything in, so we're going to put $0. And tag, or any of my renewals, my certified surgical technology renewal or certification, my tags, anything like that, so that's going to be $20. And then gifts, I'm not really putting anything in that, so that's going to be $0 also. All right, so I'm going to set up my money and then we will get to stuffing, you guys. All right, you guys, so I have all $400 laid out in different increments. And I have my cash envelopes that I have set aside. All right, so let's just, go right into it. I don't want to waste y'all's time. I don't want this video to be super long. So college, we're going to add $55. So that's 50 or 150 and 55. So we have 155 now. This is like the best time of year, you guys. Like, I swear. And it's only because I use my money wisely, I guess you can say. All right, vacation is going to be $55 also. And it should make it 155. And we get paid this week. So when you're watching this, I believe I'm going to put this up on Monday. So when you're watching this, I'm actually getting paid on Friday also. Medical will be $55. Let's see how much I have. $150. 70, 75, so 175, and I will be using that on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. car maintenance is going to be $50. Oh, I'm just throwing everything today. $50. Let's see. 50, 100, 240, and 60. So 160, which is really good. I'm not quite there to get my oil change yet or go back in for maintenance. So we're just going to build that up, you guys. All right, Christmas is going to be $30. I have to start building this up. Let's see, 20, 30, and 40. Which, I'm not sweating it, you guys. I'm not. And then Black Friday is going to be $35. And then we got a Target gift card for when I did some couponing there earlier today. So we're going to do 20, 30, 40, and 45. Now, you know, y'all, those gift cards are a lifesaver doing Black Friday, Christmas shopping, anything like that. So I save all of my gift cards the whole year, and then I use it for Christmas. All right, wedding. So before I count this, it says $107, but my fiance actually gave me money also because he got his taxes in. So he gave me some money. And that's why it's not going to add up to $107 plus, like, you know, the $50. Just let y'all know, because I know somebody probably in the comments is going to say that, but just letting you know that. All right, let's see. All right, 100, 240, 60, 80, 200, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. $208. Our goal is hopefully $500 by end of March or beginning of April, so we can put a down payment on our venue to save our date. Special occasion is going to get $55, 20, 40, 50, and $55. Let's see. And I think, I can't remember, we just got a text saying how much our condo is for my brother's fiance. I think it was like $110 maybe for our condo, because we're going to go to Destin or Panama. I think we're going to Panama. All right, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 240, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 151. Let me fix this 10 back. All right. So that is fully funded. I just need to buy my, like, food and all that stuff. Food, gas, and everything else. All right, beauty's not going to get anything, so that's still going to be $10 that's in there. Renewal is getting 20. I really want to fully fund this soon. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. I can't remember how much it is for fully funded. I think it's like $150 maybe. So we got a little bit. All right, you guys, and then gifts are $0. So that is it, you guys. So we stuffed our sinking funds for the second time this month, and we are going to do it a third time at the end of this week, so be on the lookout for that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if y'all are enjoying it, and make sure you like and subscribe down below and hit that notification with that little bell so y'all can be notified every time I upload. And I would really love it if you'll tell me if y'all have a channel, because I want to go and discover new people. I love to watch anything doing with budgeting, cooking, any hauls. Just let me know, and I will see you guys later, and hopefully y'all have a great week. Bye, you guys.